Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use inflatable bubble wrap. This innovative packaging solution offers superior protection for your valuable items. Unlike traditional bubble wrap, it arrives flat, saving you a lot of storage space. You simply inflate it when needed, creating a custom cushion that conforms perfectly to your product. It's a smart, efficient way to ensure your packages arrive safely and securely. Now let's get to inflating your bubble wrap. First, find the small, one-way air valve, typically located along one edge. You can use a simple hand pump, a foot pump, or even an electric air pump for faster results. Insert the pump nozzle securely into the valve. Inflate each section until the air cells feel firm to the touch, but be careful not to overinflate them, as this could cause damage. Once inflated, using the bubble wrap is straightforward. Begin by wrapping your item completely, making sure all sides are well cushioned. For very fragile or heavier objects, consider adding 2 or even 3 layers for extra protection. Secure the wrap firmly with packing tape to prevent any movement during transit. Finally, fill any remaining empty spaces in your shipping box with additional inflated wrap to ensure a snug and secure fit. Here are a few tips for optimal protection. Select the appropriate bubble size. Larger bubbles provide more cushioning for heavier items. If you're shipping electronics, opt for anti-static bubble wrap to prevent damage. Remember, this material is often reusable, so save it for future shipments to be more eco-friendly. Store your uninflated rolls in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.